Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the fabulous sari fashion of the incredibly talented Mirna Menon. Known for her impeccable style, Mirna has become a fashion icon for many. Let's take a closer look at some of her most memorable sari moments. The actress often embraces the rich heritage of Indian textiles by opting for traditional Kanjivaram saris. These saris, known for their intricate weaves and vibrant colors, exude a regal charm. Her choice of Kanjivaram saris usually features bold colors like royal blue, deep maroon, and emerald green, adorned with gold zari work. She pairs these saris with heavy traditional jewelry, such as temple jewelry sets, to enhance the overall traditional look. Silk saris are a staple in her wardrobe. She is often seen in pure silk saris that boast intricate embroidery and rich textures. Mirna's silk saris are usually in subtle shades like pastel pinks, off-whites, and soft yellows, which she pairs with contrasting blouses. Her blouses often have elaborate designs, including deep necks and embellished sleeves, adding a touch of modernity to the traditional attire. The actress also embraces contemporary fashion by wearing designer saris. These saris often feature modern cuts, innovative drapes, and unique patterns. She has been spotted in saris designed by top Indian designers like Sabyasachi Mukherjee and Manish Malhotra. These saris often incorporate elements like sequins, feathers, and lace, providing a glamorous and sophisticated look. The actress pairs these designer saris with statement jewelry pieces and stylish clutches. Floral printed saris are another favorite in her collection. These saris, often made of lightweight fabrics like georgette and chiffon, are perfect for a breezy, feminine look. The actress opts for saris with delicate floral prints in vibrant colors, suitable for both day and evening events. She complements these saris with simple yet elegant accessories, such as pearl earrings and minimalistic bangles, to keep the look fresh and youthful. Her fusion sari looks are always on point, showcasing her versatility and willingness to embrace modern trends while honoring traditional roots. For a minimalist yet elegant look, Mirna often opts for saris in pastel shades. These saris, in hues like mint green, blush pink, and powder blue, often have minimalistic designs with delicate embroidery or subtle prints. The actress pairs these saris with understated jewelry, such as a pair of diamond studs or a simple gold chain, focusing on a sophisticated and polished appearance. Her sari choices are always aligned with the occasion. For festive events, she goes for heavily embellished saris with intricate zari work, heavy borders, and rich fabrics like silk or velvet. For more casual or semi-formal events, she prefers lighter fabrics like cotton or linen with simpler designs. This attention to occasion-specific dressing highlights her understanding of fashion and appropriateness. Mirna Menon's wardrobe frequently features exquisite Banarasi saris, renowned for their opulent silk fabric and intricate brocade work. These saris often come in rich hues like crimson, magenta, and gold, adorned with detailed floral and paisley motifs. Her styling of Banarasi saris typically includes traditional gold jewelry, such as chokers and jhumkas, and a neatly tied bun decorated with fresh flowers, enhancing the royal and timeless appeal of the sari. Supporting sustainable fashion and the craftsmanship of local weavers, the actress is often seen in handloom saris. These saris, crafted from natural fibers like cotton and silk, are celebrated for their earthy textures and unique weaves. Her handloom saris usually feature geometric patterns, stripes, or tribal motifs, which she pairs with ethnic jewelry like silver oxidized pieces or terracotta jewelry, giving her a grounded and authentic look. For a more fluid and graceful appearance, the actress chooses saris made from lightweight fabrics like chiffon and georgette. These saris, with their soft drape and subtle sheen, are perfect for both casual and formal events. Mirna often picks pastel or neutral shades with delicate embellishments like sequins or small beads. She pairs these saris with elegant, sleeveless blouses and minimalistic jewelry, ensuring a sophisticated yet understated look. One of the highlights of Mirna Menon's sari fashion is her choice of statement blouses. She often opts for blouses that contrast in color and style with her sari, featuring intricate embroidery, heavy embellishments, or unique cuts such as halter necks, off-shoulder designs, or deep back designs. These blouses add a modern twist to her traditional sari look, making her stand out in any crowd. The actress has a penchant for monochrome saris, which offer a sleek and elegant aesthetic. These saris, in single-tone colors like black, white, or navy blue, are often accentuated with minimalistic borders or subtle prints. The actress complements these saris with matching blouses in silver or diamond jewelry, maintaining a cohesive and polished appearance. She often tries unconventional drapes, such as the mermaid drape, butterfly drape, or punt-style drape, to give a fresh and modern look to traditional saris. These innovative draping techniques highlight her fashion-forward thinking in her ability to adapt traditional attire to contemporary styles. Her sari collection also includes heavily embroidered and embellished saris. These saris, adorned with intricate thread work, mirror work, or sequins, are perfect for grand occasions like weddings and festivals. The actress pairs these ornate saris with equally grand accessories, including heavy necklaces, mantikkas, and bangles, creating a stunning and opulent look. The actress often blurs the lines between traditional and modern by opting for fusion saris. These saris might include elements like ruffles, fringes, or asymmetrical hems, blending contemporary fashion trends with classic sari elements. Her fusion sari looks are typically paired with modern accessories like clutch bags, stiletto heels, and bold makeup, making her a trendsetter in the fashion world. The actress opts for ruffled saris in vibrant colors and bold prints, pairing them with modern blouses that may have off-shoulder designs or intricate back patterns. Her accessories for these saris are usually minimalistic, focusing on statement pieces like large hoop earrings or a single bold bracelet. Organza saris are another favorite in her wardrobe for their lightweight and translucent quality. These saris often come in soft colors and floral prints, perfect for daytime events or summer occasions. Myrna selects organza saris with delicate embroidery or small embellishments to add a touch of elegance. She pairs them with chic, often sleeveless blouses and minimalistic jewelry, such as small studs and thin bangles, for a fresh and breezy look. Her collection includes a variety of printed saris that showcase different patterns and themes. From bold geometric prints to intricate floral designs, these saris are perfect for casual or semi-formal events. Myrna sometimes opts for saris paired with cape blouses. These blouses feature an attached cape that flows over the shoulders, adding a dramatic and contemporary element to the traditional sari. Her cape blouses are often adorned with intricate beadwork or embroidery, and she pairs them with saris in complementary colors. This ensemble is perfect for high-profile events and gives her a fashion-forward edge. The actress also experiments with belted saris, where a belt is used to cinch the sari at the waist, adding structure and a modern silhouette to the traditional drape. The belts range from metallic and leather options to embellished and embroidered ones. This style not only accentuates her waist but also adds a chic, contemporary flair to her look. She pairs these belted saris with matching or contrasting blouses and accessories that complement the overall style. Saris with heavy, ornate borders are a staple in her collection, especially for festive and formal occasions. These borders are often embellished with zari, sequins, or intricate threadwork, providing a striking contrast to the sari's body. The actress typically opts for rich colors like maroon, royal blue, or gold for these saris, pairing them with heavily embroidered blouses. Her accessories include traditional jewelry, such as statement necklaces and bangles, to complement the grandeur of the sari. And there you have it, some of Myrna Menon's most stunning sari fashion choices. From traditional silks to modern monochromes, Myrna effortlessly blends classic elegance with contemporary flair. Which of her sari looks is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.